All right, hey viewers, I got a quick video for you. This is a CRV Hybrid. This customer's complaint is it runs rough every time when it switches from EV to when the gasoline engine kicks on, and it also accompanies with a I've been seeing a lot of people on like forums and stuff, and it's getting all these warning messages on the dash for what is it? I can't remember. But it's basically, when you scan it, you get a P0700 code, and it's a generic transmission code. And that's it. No misfires, no nothing for, no codes for misfires and everything. But the key information that you're going to get is when it switched from EV, and then when the engine kicks on and it runs rough. And what you need to do is, I got myself a borescope. If you guys want a borescope, I'll put a link in the description for one if you guys want to get one. But what you're really looking at is when you stick the camera down into the cylinders, you're looking for a puddle on top of the piston. And basically, your injector is leaking. Okay, let's see. I can just get it in there. So you see all the... It's hard to see because it's hot right now. And basically, when it's hot and it shuts off, the injector is leaking fuel on top of the piston. And what you're getting is just the puddle. I don't know how well that shows it, but it's a puddle on top of the piston. And then when it starts back up, it starts running rough, and then it clears up. So no check engine light for any kind of misfire codes, just a generic P0700 transmission code. And then the symptom is it runs rough when it switches from EV to when the gasoline engine kicks on. So if any of you guys are having that issue, basically you're looking into replacing the injectors. And I've done plenty of these. Yeah, so I guess if this helps for you or having issues with your CRV Hybrid with the warning lights on the dash, but you're getting a P0700 code, which is a transmission code, which has nothing to do with misfires or your engine, this is basically it. Just need a borescope, look down in the cylinder, see if there's a puddle of fuel, and then you just need injectors. Okay, so same vehicle with the leaking injectors. This thing also has a leaking high pressure fuel pump, right? So now what we gotta do is we gotta shut the car off, redo the test with the engine off, and if it still reads somewhere between 1 to 9,999 parts per million, then we gotta replace the high pressure fuel pump. So we gotta shut off the engine. But anyways, just enough with the recalls and stuff, but leaking injectors, leaking high pressure fuel pump on the same car. Like, just shutting it off. I don't see anything. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Maybe a little residue? No, that's dry. I don't see anything leaking, but it still reads maybe something in there. I don't know. It's probably very little.